This might not be pepper gas, but it is something that is designed to disperse the crowd. I'm going to put the mask back on.
That was our Ken Lemon Saturday night covering the protests uptown. Of course, all the irritants from the pepper balls shot by police, making him cough and gag and struggle to talk during his live report. Now, we've seen it repeatedly over the past few nights. All those people out there, protesters, even police, or people just watching, standing very close together, and they end up coughing a lot when the pepper balls come their way. All of this during the coronavirus pandemic, where we know coughing is not what we want to do around others. Channel 9's Genevieve Curtis is joining us now. And Genevieve, health officials are worried about the protesting and the spread of COVID-19.
Yeah, well, Scott, there is a concern, right, as people gather together in large crowds because the virus is still in our community. Today, Dr. Mandy Cohen says she was very encouraged, though, and very appreciative to see a majority of the demonstrators wearing a face covering this weekend. But she said we can always do better. And this, again, is really urging everyone who decides to demonstrate and make their voices heard to wear a mask, particularly because there is a lot of evidence that the virus can spread more easily through shouting and through singing. Now, Cohen was also asked if people who protested this weekend should get tested for COVID-19. She said you only need to get tested if you are feeling symptomatic or if you've had a known contact. She said it typically takes about 2 weeks before they see a spike from a gathering or a source of exposure.
We will have to wait and see if the weekend's events cause more spreading of virus. I think anytime there are more people who are in closer contact, even when they're outside, I think that is a risk.
And we've also talked a lot about contact tracing. Dr. Cohen says it obviously becomes more difficult to trace COVID from crowds or gatherings where maybe you don't know the person standing next to you. She says when that's the case, the state takes that message public to let people know when and where some spread may have occurred so that people can get tested.